This recipe is from a Japanese doctor called Hiroshi Shuto. According to him, this natural remedy can treat many diseases, including obesity, asthma, fatty liver, high blood pressure, and insomnia. The ingredients of this homemade remedy can be easily found in markets, supermarkets, and natural health stores. You will only need onion, vinegar, and honey. According to Dr. Hiroshi, onion contains phytochemicals that, when ingested, aid in the rigidity of blood vessels, lower blood pressure, reduce blood sugar levels in diabetics, and lower the risk of coronary heart disease, peripheral vascular disease, and even strokes. Dr. Hiroshi has been using this mixture for more than 15 years and says that the combination of onion, vinegar, and honey helps with high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, high cholesterol, atherosclerosis, tinnitus, joint pain, osteoporosis, fatty liver, asthma, memory issues, constipation, insomnia, and the common cold. Onion helps lower high blood pressure thanks to allicin and antioxidants that relax the blood vessels, improving blood circulation. Vinegar has antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. And honey is a great antibacterial and antioxidant agent. It also fights hypertension, cholesterol, triglycerides, and diabetes, and offers numberless benefits for heart health. Write down the ingredients. 1 onion, 1 pinch of pink Himalayan salt, vinegar, any type, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 glass jar with a lid. Peel the onion, cut in half, then into thin slices. Let it sit for 20 minutes to 2 hours. After resting, transfer the onion slices to the glass jar, adding salt and honey. Then pour the vinegar over it. Stir well and close the jar. Leave it in the fridge for 5 days. After this period, your remedy is ready for consumption. Important: after opening, keep the jar in the refrigerator and use it within 10 days. You can do 2 or 3 jars at once since it ends quickly. Consume the mixture with your meals. You can take 3 to 4 tablespoons throughout the day, adding it to sauces and meat or salad dishes. It is important to ingest the liquid and not only the onions. This natural remedy should be consumed as a complement to treating diseases and must not be used as a substitute for the treatment prescribed by a doctor. Try this recipe to boost your body and improve your general health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.